What if a star suddenly exploded? It happens. This event is called a supernova, a powerful stellar explosion. It can outshine entire galaxies for a short period of time. Some occur when massive stars collapse. Others happen in binary systems, when a white dwarf gains too much mass. The explosion releases enormous energy and spreads heavy elements into space, including iron and calcium, the same elements found in your body. Supernovae help create new stars and new planetary systems. They shape the evolution of galaxies. A star's death becomes a new beginning. We are made from ancient explosions. Please don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through the galaxy.